There's an increasing number of children living in poverty attending our public schools, and it's my belief that as that trend continues, it is so important that every school have somebody dedicated inside the school whose job it is to go behind the scenes, investigate what resources are lacking for the children and their families, and make sure that those needs are met.
Here at Communities and Schools of Greater Tarrant County, we work with the most at-risk youth in a number of different schools throughout a number of different school districts here in our area to address a myriad of different needs that the child and family has, whether that's food insecurity, whether that's domestic violence, so that we're addressing the holistic child in a way that they can have their needs met and show up to school ready to learn. Here at Communities and Schools, we serve on average about 88 to 90 students per campus per social worker. Generally, those students are receiving about 4 hours of services, whether that's one-on-one, individual, or small group services each month by our social workers or by services coordinated by Communities and Schools employees. We generally serve about 4,000 students or more through active case management, creating individualized case management plans for the students we serve, and also creating individualized campus goals for each and every school campus that we're on, alongside the faculty and administration of that school.
CIS means to me having the opportunity to watch students learn and grow, and it's a really humbling experience to be able to be that person, to walk alongside them as they go through their year, and be that person to provide tools for them. And when they finally get it, it's one of the most rewarding experiences, and it's an awesome opportunity for me to have, just being a part of Leonard.
When I'm not at school, I could go to her and I could talk to her. When other people, they listened, but they didn't really care. She actually asked me questions on my feelings and stuff, and the other teachers were like trying to persuade me to stay in class and not to go anywhere.
Communities in Schools is such an invaluable resource. As a district and as a school, we recognize that our students have needs that go beyond instruction. Sometimes we don't have the capacity to reach the needs that the students have, but Communities in Schools can bridge that gap. Here at Leonard Middle School, we have a large student population that struggles with social emotional learning. We have students that haven't had adults that care consistently in their lives. Ms. Borth is the adult that our students need.
Hi, I'm Pennye Mincher. My daughter's Devin Mincher. We had some issues last year. Ms. Borth come to our rescue.
Nothing I can do to make my daughter happy. That's not nothing a mom wants to go through. Nothing.
She changed my daughter's attitude. She stuck with her. Whatever it took, it didn't matter. If it was sharing a package of crackers and some water, whatever it took, she was there. Devin cried on her shoulder a lot. I don't have to worry about whether Devin's going to go to school or not. I know she is. Any school needs this program. It helped with my daughter, it can help with other people. I know it can. This program is awesome. If it hadn't been for this program, I don't know where Devin would be right now.
Schools that we contract with pay a fee to have a CIS social worker on that campus full-time, but that fee does not cover the full cost of the program to Communities and Schools, and that's where the importance of our own private fundraising efforts come in. It is so vitally important that people in the community are aware of this program, and that they talk to their neighbors, that they talk to their community leaders, especially the leaders inside our school districts, and that people are willing to give to help underwrite the cost of this program, because we cannot do this on our own.